4 things your personal injury lawyer needs to review at a meeting with you. There's some key documents when it comes to a personal injury claim that you want your lawyer to know, to see, to assess when they're coming up with an approach and a claim value for your personal injury claim. We're going to get into those 4 key documents in this video. The first one is information about the accident. Of course, you only have a personal injury claim if we can show that you were in an accident and that you weren't at fault for the accident. And this can be harder to show than it would appear. It's often the case that people have varied views on the accident, and it is the case too often that we'll contact the insurance company of the at-fault driver and they'll say, well, no, actually, our insured says that your client is at fault. And then suddenly we have a contested liability situation, and I need every piece of paper, every statement, everything I can get my hands on to say why my client wasn't at fault for the accident and why they have a personal injury claim and why they're in the right. So photos, statements, any other information, police reports, whatever you have about the accident, you want to bring that to a meeting with your personal injury lawyer and have them review that right away so they can make an informed decision about what to do next. The second one is about communications. It's often the case that my clients have communicated with the insurance company before hiring me. So if you've had communications with the at-fault insurance company adjuster, your accident benefits adjuster, your property damage adjuster, I want to review all that information. There are certain clues that I look for in those documents that can help me make a better case theory and give you a more accurate assessment of the claim and how long your claim is going to take. It's easy to print out that information, and often it's harder for me to get that, or it takes time for me to get that to factor it into my assessment. So if you can print it out or even just bring it on your computer and your laptop or pull it up on your phone, quite happy to look at that during the course of the meeting. The next one, and this is a big one, when it comes to your case value, you have to help us show the economic losses. And so when we're talking about economic losses, it's about past losses and past out-of-pocket expenses, but also the future. Your claim could well encompass past and future wage losses because you have an impact on your ability to work. If you can't do your job because of the car accident, then I need to have an appreciation about what you've lost. Is it hourly income? Is it monthly wages? Is it commissions? Did you miss a promotion? Did you miss out on starting a new job? What is that? I need your resume, pay stubs, job applications, whatever it is, whatever information you have on hand to help me support credibly why you have suffered economic loss. I need that information, and I want that information so that I can do a better job for the client. Moving to the future though, I also want to appreciate your plans. Were you going back to school? Did you expect promotions or increases in your job? Were you taking on new duties that perhaps the impact of the injuries from the accident have caused? Do you have new disadvantages that will impact your competitiveness in the workforce? Performance reviews, other assessments, these types of documents are critical when we're thinking about theories, so bring all of those. And when I meet a client for a free case review process, we sit down together and I really do want to understand where you are in your journey, be it at school, at work, a new worker, a unionized worker, you've been in the job for decades. Every person's job is different, and it really takes time to unpack what you do and where your trajectory is occupationally. And the last one, medical documents. I spend hours and hours every week reading medical documents. They are the documents that support your claim. Without them, you do not have a good claim. At our office, we work hand in hand with a physician on our team. This is one of the unique advantages of working with Nova Injury Law. We are putting medical expertise and legal expertise side by side to help develop great case facts, great case theory, and great case results. So for us, we want to see your medical information. So if you have copies of reports from the hospital or your doctor, or they've provided you with notes, bring it all in. I'll never say no to medical information because it's all helpful to us. We'll save it in our file, it'll become part of your case file, and we'll reference it throughout the file. So don't be afraid to pull off medical information and bring it to the meeting, even if you don't understand it. We'll work through that information with you. My name is Jeff Mitchell. As you can tell, I'm a personal injury lawyer, and we deal with cases just like this every single day. We are all about providing value to our clients, and it starts at a first meeting. So if you have a meeting with us, or you're even thinking about potentially talking to a personal injury lawyer, just pick up the phone, chat, email, text. Just get in touch with us. We're happy to answer your question, and we are keen to have you at a free case review meeting. You'll find that it's helpful, valuable, and you'll feel better after that meeting because you'll have answers to important questions. You may even have answers to questions that you didn't know you had. So, if you have any questions at all, just reach out today. We'll get you the answers you need. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you found it helpful.